In this video, I'm going to show you how to create seamless Tumbler wrap designs in ChatGPT images for Etsy, step by step, so you can make print-ready designs that look clean, professional, and ready to sell. This is a super useful workflow if you want to create product designs faster, test new styles, or build a digital product shop without spending hours learning complicated design software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and creator tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're inside, you're going to use one simple prompt to generate your design. Type, "Create a seamless Tumbler wrap design with repeating pattern, high resolution, and print-ready size for Etsy." This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of image you want, and it gives you a strong starting point for a digital product that can be used for Tumbler wrap listings. After that, you can customize the design to match the style you want to sell. For example, you can say, make it 20-ounce tumbler size if you want it sized for a popular tumbler format. You can also refine the look by adding style details like bright colors, floral, or aesthetic style. The more specific you are, the closer the result will be to your store's niche. If you want a softer look, mention pastel tones. If you want something bold and trendy, ask for vibrant patterns, modern graphics, or trendy color combinations. The goal here is to guide the image generation so the final design fits your Etsy audience. Once the image is generated, download it to your device. Before uploading it anywhere, always check the seamless edges carefully. You want to make sure there are no gaps, strange breaks, or mismatched pattern lines around the edges, because a seamless wrap needs to flow continuously from one side to the other. If it looks clean and repeating properly, then you're ready for the final step. Now upload the image to Etsy as your product listing or digital download. Make sure your title, description, and tags clearly mention that it is a seamless Tumbler wrap design, so shoppers can find it more easily. You can also include details like size, style, and whether it is intended for sublimation or digital use. This helps improve your listing quality and makes your product more searchable. And that's it! You've now created a seamless Tumbler wrap design in ChatGPT images and taken it all the way to Etsy. It's a simple process, but once you understand the workflow, you can create many different designs quickly and build a whole catalog of products. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this.